Starlink versus Comcast. In this 2025 comparison, we will find out which one is better, so make sure to like and subscribe. So let's compare them. Number 1, their internet speed and performance. Starlink offers speeds up to 220 Mbps with low latency through its satellite internet. On the other hand, Comcast, using cable and fiber infrastructure, offers plan up to 1.2 Gbps in urban areas, while Starlink shines in remote regions and Comcast dominates in cities. Number 2, availability. Comcast is only available in selected areas across the US, mostly urban and suburban, while Starlink meanwhile has global coverage, including rural and underserved areas. Number 3 is their pricing. Starlink's hardware costs around $599 with monthly plans starting at $120, while Comcast offers more affordable entry-level plans starting at $30 a month, but it can have hidden fees. Number 4 is their setup and portability. Starlink offers a plug-and-play setup with portability options, making it ideal for RVs and remote workers. And Comcast requires professional installation and is location-bound. Number 5 is the reliability and support. Comcast often experiences peak hour slowdowns, while Starlink's performance depends on weather and satellite positioning, but is improving steadily. Their support for both is average, though Comcast offers more traditional call-in options. So for final verdict, Starlink is best for rural users and digital nomads, while Comcast is better for urban homes needing faster, stable speeds. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.